Hey everyone, today I'll compare Bluebeam Revu and PlanSwift. When comparing Bluebeam Revu and PlanSwift for construction, takeoff, and estimating, both tools are highly regarded but cater to different needs. Bluebeam Revu is known for its powerful PDF editing and markup capabilities. It's great for contractors who need to work with digital plans and collaborate on designs. Its takeoff tools are efficient, especially for detailed, large-scale projects. It's ideal if you need robust collaboration and planning management features. PlanSwift, on the other hand, specializes in takeoff and estimating. It offers precise measurements tools and integrates with various estimating software. It's best for those who want to focus on accurate material takeoffs and detailed cost estimates. Its interface is easy to use for quick measurements and calculations. In my opinion, if you're focused on a plan management and collaboration along with takeoff, Bluebeam Revu is a better choice. However, if you need a tool specifically for detailed takeoffs and estimating, PlanSwift might be the better option. Thanks for watching, hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.